What's up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda. This is the 2019 Mazda CX-9. Finally arrived. This is the signature trim. Plenty of new features equipped on the CX-9 for 2019, including power folding mirrors, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got a 360 cam. You've got vented seats. Under the hood, you've got a 2.5-liter dynamic pressure turbocharged engine, 250 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. It's equipped with advanced keyless entry, so you just click that button, everything unlocks, mirrors unfold. You can hop on in. You've got nice brown leather interior, black accents, wood grain paneling, very beautiful. Down here you've got your memory seat, two different functions, or two different settings rather. You've got the satin chrome buttons there. Inside you've got your power lift gate, parking sensors, traction control, lane keep assist, your camera view. Over here you've got push button start. Left of the steering wheel are your audio and media controls. You got Bluetooth controls there as well. You've got your adaptive or your adaptive cruise control or Mazda radar cruise control on the right. You've got a redesigned gauge cluster with an LCD screen. We'll show you how that works here again. Very nice. Here's your Mazda Infotainment Center. Easily accessible with the HMI commander right at your fingertips. 5 buttons. Doesn't get any easier than that. You just cycle through like so by turning the dial. You're also equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as you can see, and you can use the touchscreen or the HMI commander to cycle through each of those. Down here, a redesigned control panel for your climate control. You've got heated and vented front seats, dual zone climate control, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, of course. You got the sport mode, cup holders. Center console is where you're going to find your cargo space, your USB for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're also equipped with a power sliding moonroof, wood grain on the door trim, and brown accents all throughout this signature. Very beautiful. Another additional feature, redesigned backup camera and a 360 camera. You're also equipped with a Bose stereo speaker system all throughout. "20-inch alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, all-wheel drive. This is Sonic Silver. Very, very sharp color. LED combination taillights as well. You've also got a power lift gate, which you can activate with the key fob. 3rd row seating. Plenty of cargo space even with that 3rd row engaged. Rear passengers. You've got the sunshade on both sides. Power windows, of course. Cargo space in the backs of the front seats. You've got automatic climate control back here as well. Heated rear seats. You've also got a fold-down center armrest equipped with cup holders, little cargo compartment, and 2 USB charging ports. So there you have it, the 2019 Mazda CX-9, now available at Park Mazda in Sherwood Park. Visit us online at parkmazda.ca to book your test drive. Fill out the form, come on down and take the CX-9 for a spin. We'll set you up with a $25 Visa gift card. You can also follow us on Instagram at Park Mazda. Check us out on YouTube, youtube.com/parkmazda Sherwood Park. And also be sure to check us out on Facebook as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope to see you very soon.